guys, welcome to my channel, and this is a very exciting video. I'm going to be making coffee hairspray, and this is the coffee that I'll be using, and you can just use a coffee of your choice as long as it is instant coffee. So basically the process of making this spray is quite simple. I did not want a lot of spray, so I just used 1 teaspoon of the coffee, and I made sure to add in very hot water. And I've insisted on the very hot water part because I know my water may not look as hot, but just holding it like that burnt my fingers. It was very hot. You're gonna go and mix the water and your coffee, stir it properly and make sure all the coffee dissolves, and let it cool before you transfer it to your spray bottle. So there are a lot of benefits of using this coffee spray, and I did see a lot of change and growth in my hair the 1 week that I did use this spray. And I would advise each and every one of you to try it if you're looking for something to try. And if you're new here, my name is Maria, and I was gonna edit out this part, but I just figured let me just be real and tell you guys how hard it is sometimes for me to transfer my sprays into my very tiny spray bottle. But I did manage to hack it, and I got it transferred into the spray bottle. So yeah, I do videos about natural hair and DIY products you can make at home, and I also do protective styling. So if you're interested in such kinds of videos, kindly consider subscribing and join the family. And to my loving subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me and growing with me, and let's continue growing together. So this was the spray. This is how it looks like when it's done, but also remember, coffee can be a little bit drying, so you have to go in with your oil. But basically this is a very nice spray, and I hope you try it. Kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. Thanks for watching. Bye.